Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I am sharing with you healthy, loaded sweet potato recipes. Let's get straight into recipe number 1. First we need to prepare the sweet potato. So pierce the entire sweet potato with a fork. Once you've done this, place them all on an oven tray. Cook them in the oven for 40 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they have cooked for 40 minutes, cut them in half. And drizzle them with olive oil. Then put them back in the oven to cook for another 20 minutes. Take them out of the oven and pierce them with a fork to release any heat. Now our first loaded sweet potato recipe is a taco filling. So first we need to make our guacamole. So in a bowl, add 1 avocado, add 1 small diced tomato, two teaspoons of lemon juice, and then add in salt and pepper to your desired taste. Mix these ingredients together and your guacamole is ready. Next up, we need to make our meat filling. So in a pan, add in around 1 tablespoon of olive oil and then add in 200 grams of mincemeat. Once the mincemeat is cooked, add in 3 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Now before you add your toppings, make sure you use a fork to loosen the inside of the sweet potato. Once you've done this, then you can add on your toppings. So place onto the sweet potato the seasoned meat and then the guacamole. And there you have your taco loaded sweet potato. Next recipe is a curry loaded sweet potato. So in a saucepan, add in some olive oil. And then add in 1 diced small onion, and 1 diced small tomato. After this, add in half a cup of water. Then add your spices. So add in half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and if you'd like to make it spicy, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then add in salt and pepper to your desired taste. Finally, add in a tablespoon of lemon juice and combine all the ingredients. Now add your filling onto the sweet potato and enjoy. Now the final recipe is a seed-loaded sweet potato. Now this one sounds a little weird, but I really like to eat it as a lunchtime snack. So add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey, and then add on your desired amount of sunflower seeds and pumpkin kernels. And it's ready! It's super simple and easy to make this one, and I think it's great as a lunchtime snack. So those are the 3 loaded sweet potato recipes I have for you today. So try them out and I hope you enjoy them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today and will try these recipes yourselves. Remember to love others and yourself, and I'll see you next time.